How to cancel ride in BlaBlaCar. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am excited because I'll be teaching you how you can cancel ride in BlaBlaCar. So if you do not know how to do this, ensure you sit back and watch so that you would not miss any important information. So the first step is to log in into your BlaBlaCar account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you can book a carpool or a bus, and then you can use this options here to select the ride, and by the time you scroll down, you would see other options on your account. So once you can do this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, the first option is your rights. So just click on it that way. After clicking on your rights, you will be brought to a page where you see all of your rights. Now, I am a newcomer on this app, on this site, and so I don't have any rights yet. But for you, you would see all of your rights in here. So the next step is to select the right you want to cancel. Once you've selected the right you want to cancel, at the right side of the screen, you will see three dots showcasing the more options button. Click on it, and then in the box displayed, click on edit your publication. All right, edit your publication, and then select cancel your right in the options displayed, and then just like that, the right would be cancelled. Okay, it is very straightforward, and that is how you can go about it. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.